Hey everyone, we're back again with another authentic Thai recipe direct from our restaurant kitchen in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Today we're making pat si ew. It's one of Thailand's most popular stir-fried noodle dishes and one of the easiest to fall in love with. White rice noodles, egg, and your choice of protein get tossed in a hot wok with Chinese broccoli and a rich dark soy sauce. Simple ingredients, incredible flavor. Today we're using sliced pork, but this dish is also great with either chicken or tofu. Let's watch while Warwood cooks some. Heat a wok or large frying pan and add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the sliced pork and let it fry. The meat should be well browned and just a little crispy on the edges. Add 1 raw egg, some onion, and some garlic. Don't forget that you can now book private cooking lessons with our chef in Thailand on either Zoom, FaceTime, or in person at our location in Chiang Mai. Visit chiangmaicookingschool.com for more info. Mix it up a little and fry until the egg is firm. Don't stir it too much at first, as the egg should be in pieces, not scrambled. Add carrot, stir, and scrape the egg from the bottom of the pan. You want the brown crispy parts mixed in. Add the wide rice noodles and push them into the mix. Add Chinese broccoli, dry seasonings, and soy sauces. Scrape the pan and turn the noodles over until thoroughly coated with the sauce. If you love Thai food but still have trouble saying the names of your favorite dishes, why not give ActiveThai.com a try? At ActiveThai, you can learn to read, write, and speak Thai. Try it out today for free. Keep the heat low so it doesn't burn. Just scrape, lift, and turn.
The color not gonna be good. Done already, fine. Almost done already.
When well mixed, sticky, and the vegetables are softened, turn off the heat. Serve immediately with dried ground chili, sugar, and vinegar or lime for additional seasoning at the table. Now let's go over these simple ingredients. We're using about 100 grams of lean pork, cut into long strips. 2 to 3 cups of wide rice noodles, either fresh if you can get them, or the dry type, softened in water. 2 cups of Chinese broccoli or other type of kale, roughly cut. 2 to 3 slices of yellow or brown onion. 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, roughly chopped. 2 to 3 tablespoons of diced carrot. 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1/2 teaspoon of Thai light soy sauce. 1/4 teaspoon of Thai dark soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of roti pork flavoring, and 1/4 teaspoon of MSG are added by most restaurants in Thailand for extra flavor. But you can leave them out and it will still taste great. Just add 1/2 teaspoon of finely ground white pepper if you're not using them. Our contact information, websites, social medias, and complete recipe library are available online. Just follow the links in the video description below. Thank you and enjoy!